So are you guys ready to play some games, riddles? We have John and Mariana from Portugal. So I'm going to ask the questions right away. You ready? You excited?
Yes. Let's go.
First one is, which letter of the alphabet has the most water in it? I'll give you a clue. It's in Dubai. You can see that in Dubai.
And it's very beautiful. Which
Letter in English has most water. It's like a water reservoir. I'll give you a clue. On your left. On your left. On your left. On your left.
No idea.
Okay. Okay, you give up.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. C. C. Okay, you have to think. It's like fun questions.
I'm
That's
gonna
it.
tell you, don't think much.
Yeah.
So in
No,
love
it's not serious. Like fun questions. Okay.
Okay, next one. What starts with the letter P, ends with the letter E, and has thousands of letters?
So, okay. It starts with
Send
P.
to P.
It starts with P, ends with E, and it has thousands of letters.
Starts with the P.
P, yeah, P.
No idea.
P. Oh, let's sing.
And it has thousands
P
of letters.
starts
And
with
it
a P.
ends with E,
E.
which has got a lot of letters in it.
It has letters in it.
Thousands
Plenty
of
of letters.
I don't know.
Where would you find a letter?
We'll- Thousands of letters.
Okay, you're
What about you?
giving up. So,
Where do we buy letters?
yeah, where do you find letters?
Alphabets?
There could be different meaning for letters.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to look at.
Like a love letter.
Yeah.
Yes.
Raios.
A book. Post office.
Yeah, post office, you got
I
it.
was thinking in Portuguese, like
Yeah, post office. Yeah, man. Job.
Brilliant.
So the answer is post office. Post office.
Got a lot of letters.
That's it.
okay.
Next one. What begins and ends with an E but has only one letter?
I.
No, it
Not
starts with
only
E,
E.
ends with E, but has only one letter.
E.
No, it starts with E, ends with E, but has one letter. One letter in it. One letter. One letter. Can you think back to your previous question? One letter.
Post office.
Yeah. It has one letter. What is that?
It's an envelope.
Envelope. Yeah, you got it. You're on a roll.
I told you it was
Okay.
good.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Envelope. You know, that's where
Yeah.
one.
Alright, next one. How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
20,
Pretty simple, right?
22.
I want it.
27. 27.
Okay. Okay.
24.
Yeah, there is a 26, 27, 28.
So logically it's correct, but there are 18 letters in the word English alphabet.
Like the English alphabet. You count all the words, all the letters. It's like 8.
18.
Yes, you're right.
You're
It's 18.
right.
It's 18.
Okay.
Like the alphabet you're talking about, that's 26. But wait, the question is
The
like
question
this.
was how many letters are there in the English alphabet?
The English alphabet. When you count them.
Okay.
Do you have donkey ears or?
Yeah, kind of.
Speaking of the actual alphabet, it's 26.
Yeah.
Alright, so next one, which is kind of similar to this, which is, what is the longest word in English language? Longest word.
Chester, cider sauce.
Now that's
my
maybe that
God.
might be the actual longest word, but I'm talking about. It's a fun question.
And we don't even
What's
know.
the longest?
Word, like literally long. Like it's a fun long.
It takes
Not
long
actually
to
long,
say.
but long. No, it's
Always remember it's illogical.
logical, not logical.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense. It's just a game.
Any idea?
Longest.
The longest word?
Okay. Like a mile long. Like a mile long. The word is a mile long. It's a mile long.
Just guess something.
Infinity, I don't know.
A kilometer.
Millennium?
Kilometer? A mile? No.
It
Something
like
like
that.
that.
Something like that. You're close. You're
Quanto
close.
quilômetro que é que é?
Maria, you're close.
Many kilometers?
Just 1 mile.
You just
Okay, that's a
sort
clue.
of said it.
Just. It's okay. I'm gonna give you that word is something related to your face. You can see that word on your face.
Yes?
Smile?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, close. Yeah, it's smiles.
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 Smile?
Smiles.
Oh.
With SS and a mile in between.
I'm
Oh,
a
no,
pro.
no.
You're
We are
pro.
not learning from this.
Okay.
We're not learning.
It's smiles.
Smile.
SMILES. Because there's a mile in between these two S's.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Next one.
What 4 days of the week start with the letter T?
Thursday. What?
Four days of a week that start with
the
letter
P. T.
T.
Sorry.
Tuesday.
Thursday?
Tuesday.
Thursday.
Thursday?
Thursday. Yeah, T.
And-
It has to start with T.
And
Okay, Tuesday.
Yes.
And
Tuesday.
then
One.
three more.
Ah, Tuesday,
Ah,
Thursday.
Thursday. Two more.
2 more, just 2 more.
You're almost close. Monday,
Tuesday, Thursday,
I'm sure when you hear the answer, you'll be like, oh, God.
So Tuesday, Thursday,
And?
and
and
Because when I say this,
what
you
is?
might be like,
this?
oh, that is something.
You're gonna kill us. You're gonna kill us. You're gonna kill us.
But it's
it's today. Today.
Today,
Today.
today, and
Today.
Tomorrow.
Tuesday,
And tomorrow.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. We're going on.
today and tomorrow.
Next one. What is the coldest letter in English? Coldest letter. It's very cold.
Cold.
Something with eyes.
Ice.
Freeze. No.
Not that much. It's just
No.
the
Let
coldest
the
letter,
coldest
not a word.
letter.
Letter.
It's alone. Z.
Coldest.
Just maybe we could give a hint of something.
Yeah. What makes you cold in Dubai?
AC. So that's the
No,
coldest.
I'm talking about letter. Yeah.
A. C. A.
What's in AC?
Air conditioner. I don't know.
No, it's in your C.
No, I'm talking about the letter in AC.
What's in A?
B?
C.
V?
B, yeah, B. So it stands like between it.
Oh my God.
Like,
I didn't expect
okay, a
that.
final one for you. Okay, the last question. The only place where divorce happens before marriage. The only place where divorce happens before marriage. Normally marriages happen and then divorce happens. Now in this place, divorce happens before marriage. The only place. You have to get this.
The alphabet. Because divorce it's before.
Sorry?
D, because D is before M.
So?
The alphabet. No. So
Okay, you're
D-
close. You're getting the logic right. You have.
I get the logic and I tell him the hint.
Yeah.
So D is before M. So divorce is before marriage.
So where is it that you can find divorce before marriage? Where is it?
Last question and
What is organized in an alphabetical order?
I don't understand the question.
Parce qu'il y a des divorces avant le mariage.
Divorce avant le mariage.
Divorce happens before marriage.
Okay.
The place where divorce happens before marriage.
L'église.
In the dictionary?
Yep. Well done, man. You are a pro. You have to say a great job. So the answer is dictionary.
Dictionary.
Ah,
D.
le divorce
M,
avant le mariage.
M comes
Ok,
after
ok.
D. John, we had fun playing with you, and
We had
I think
fun.
our audience really enjoyed this.
was
and
a
we're gonna
pleasure.
watch this video, and they're gonna, send you all
Okay,
of it.
great.
All right, so that was it. Thank you so much for playing this game.
Okay, thank you.
so much. Enjoy your evening, bye.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for playing this. Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice. It was a pleasure. English House. English at your fingertips.